What is up, YouTube? Undercover here, and today I want to show you a little bit of footage of last weekend we had with the meetup with Riding with Tom. We had a fucking fellow motovlogger go down. I'm pretty sure you guys saw his video. Goes by the name of Ghostninja. So yeah, I'll roll the clip so you guys can take a look. See. Yo, you good?
It's your hook on your bike there.
It's hot.
You alright?
You think you're good to move?
I think I'm okay, but I think I should just sit here for a second.
Alright.
You move the bike though?
Yeah.
Let's hang on.
Of course, it would be me to go down.
You guys on film if it makes you feel any better.
Fuck, man, I can't believe I did that.
You ready? Alright, go.
Hang on, there we go. Oh shit.
It's stuck.
It's kind of tilted down too.
Did you guys go?
Not
I
yet.
think I'm good. Someone wants to help me up.
You ready?
Alright.
Okay.
Maybe two people. Holy shit!
You alright?
I'm good.
Got a fence right behind you.
Huh?
Got a fence right behind you.
I can't believe I did that. My bike is totally fucked.
I don't think totally.
Huh?
I don't think totally. You alright?
A little bit there. Okay, Jack.
Jack is good, actually.
Fuck! Come on. I can't believe I just did that. Huh? That fucking turn.
Ready?
Fucking turn.
Can you go?
No grip on it whatsoever.
Oh, the back tire's stuck. The back tire's stuck. Ready.
I don't know if I'm gonna be able to ride that shit.
You're not gonna be able to ride it. Look at the handlebar. Handlebar's all over.
Yeah, look at it.
Oh, you can drop it.
Like a kickstand?
Yeah.
The handlebar is
Shit.
Well, that's fucked.
It went down. It was pretty tough. It was a pretty hard little scruff he had got into. Thankfully, he's okay though. if you guys want to go to his channel, give him a shout out. Luckily he's okay. Could have been a lot worse. So, Ghost Ninja, glad you're alright, brother. So, I don't know if he's gonna post this on his channel or what, but you guys go ahead and go show that guy some love. With that being said, I love you all. You guys have a wonderful night, morning, evening, whenever you watch this video. And you guys take it easy, bitches. Peace.
Why did you